which starts now.
Good morning, Virginia. This is Virginia This Morning with Greg McQuaid, Cheryl Miller, and Jessica Nall. Good morning, Virginia.
Well, thanks so much for spending a part of your Tuesday morning here with us on Virginia This Morning. I'm Jessica Nall. We kick things off with a classic rock cover band from Richmond, and because they are versatile and play everything from the Eagles to Crosby, Stills, Nash & Young, they certainly have a wide range of appeal. Making their debut appearance here on Virginia This Morning are Paul Bakeman, Eric Chappell, Michael and Robert Peterman, and Pete Drujinski, and they are the Sons of Zebedee.
But I'm running down the road trying to loosen my load. I got 7 women on my mind. 4 that wanna own me, 2 that wanna stone me, 1 so she's a friend of mine. Take it easy, take it easy. Don't let the sound of your own wheels drive you crazy. Light it up while you still can. Don't even try to understand. Just find a place to make your stand. Take it easy. I'm standing on the corner in Winslow, Arizona. Such a fine sight to see. It's a new model load in a flatbed Ford, slowing down to take a look at me. Come on, baby, don't say baby. I gotta know if your sweet love's gonna save me. We may lose, but we may win. Though we will never be here again. Rolling up, I'm climbing in. And take it easy. Guitar. Well, I'm running down the road trying to loosen my load. Got a world of trouble on my mind. Looking for a lover who won't blow my cover. She's so hard to find. Take it easy, take it easy. Don't let the sound of your own wheels make you crazy. Come on, baby, don't say baby. I gotta know if your sweet love is gonna save me. Do-do-do, 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 do-do-do. We ought to take it easy. We ought to take it easy.
Terrific. You can catch the Sons of Zebedee performing all over Richmond, including Saturday, April 20th for the City of Richmond's Earth Day Festival, and again Monday, April 22nd during the Flying Squirrels game. And coming up later this morning, they're going to perform another song just for you. But right now, we're going to send it over to Miss Carrie Rose.